Hello everyone. Finally my blog's template editor in AEM 6.3 is out. So we are having a demonstration video with our each blog. So here in this video we will learn how to make dynamic templates. So we will go to our AEM and we will go in general, tools general, then configuration browser. So we just click on create, give any name related to project. So I'm giving it to my project and I'm clicking on dynamic templates, editable templates, sorry. So here my project has been created. If I go to the hierarchy, I can see that under conf I can see my project. So in the my project settings WCM, there are three particular things: template, policies and template types. So templates are basically created by template authors. Policies are also can be created by template authors and the developer can also provide it. We will talk about policies later on. So first of all, we will understand what are template types. So template types is a base template on the basis of which template author creates its own template. So first of all, I need to create a template over here. So I will create a node like empty hyphen page and cu colon template. You must be thinking that why I haven't created template from that particular option, create template. But yes, I want to recall that there is a resource type is a mandatory field and I don't have any resource type, so that's why I need to go with the node structure. Now I need to create a node of cgcr colon content and cu colon page content. So there should be some properties. We will add them. Title. We can talk it as a empty page template. We can add a description if we want to have. Description. So I can make any description. So I can put it like this is empty page template. We can give here ranking if we want. It is not mandatory. So under this particular template, we have three things. You can see in the blog, there are three things: initial, policies and structure. So it is important to create. Okay, before creating initial structure, we will need to create a page component. Sorry, I skipped one step. So we will start from the, so there is a folder like suppose my project, and under that I can have a folder like components. This is our basic project hierarchy. I just will follow the same. Then create. I need some page component, so I will be creating a folder page. Now I will be creating a page component. So in the page component, I will be having a sling resource type of. So I will be having a sling resource type of this, sling resource super type this. So I just copy the path, create a component. I will make it like page. I can make it as a base page. Some readable and description if we want to add. Not mandatory that we will start it from apps. We can put it like this. And no need of any group, we can put it dot. Next. Okay, so we are just having this page component and the sling resource type of this. So this is exactly with the same name as my sling resource type, so there is no need to have this page.jsp. If it would have been with some other name, I need to overwrite page.html over here. So there is no need, so I am having my page component ready. So what I need to do then, under template types I have a template. Now I need to create the rest of the structure. So create node initial. This will be a page. The names should be same as I am describing. INITIAL, initial, exactly same name. Now I will be having a JCR content with CQ colon page content type. Now I need to add a resource type to my page component. So where is my page component? This. So this is the structure. I will match this with my blog structure. So yes, my initial structure is ready. So I need to make the structure thing as well with like I have did with initial paste. So I just rename it with structure strctur. I'm repeating again that the names should be exactly like this only structure. Under this we will have an okay. Now there is a need of having a root. So there is not required that it should be root, but I'm making a component over here like root. So parallel to this I will create a node like root of NTN structured, and the link resource type should be WCM foundation components responsive grid slash libs slash WCM foundation. Okay, so I'm going up. In the structure I have a root node and the resource type is this. Okay, so it is something like in a page we are having a component. It is exactly something like this. So in the structure I am having a root is a container. So if I want to have layout things, I need to add the CQ responsive breakpoints and all that things. So it will be good if we have, and if we don't have, it's really okay. So I'm just copying these particular things from retail. So because it takes a lot of time to create a hierarchy line by line. So I'm just copying the complete thing from here. Structure. Paste. One more thing I would like to add. Sorry, root is under GCR content. Oh, so sorry. Need to move this. Okay, so these particular things should be under GCR content. So I'm fine with the hierarchy. I'm ready. Actually, one more thing. Always remember to not have apps something like this. It is good to have. If it's good to have a relative path, not the absolute one. Okay, so I am pretty ready with my hierarchies. So there is one more thing which is policy. So I'm again copying the policy thing from here. Copy. It is important to have these nodes. It won't work if you don't have these things. So yes, it is very important. So in the policies we can see that in the policies we are again having the same thing. We are having sling resource type. Now there is a root and we don't need this, so we are removing this. So for the root, I didn't have any particular policy in the root level, so I didn't define anything. So I'm ready with my structure, I'm ready with my complete structure. Now I need to go and create some templates. So I'm going again in the templates. I will go in my project, I will go and create. In the create thing, I can see this is my empty template. So I will go there. I will create a base page template. This is my first template. So I'm actually working as a template author now. Now open up. So this is my basic structure here. So next point is how to define policies. So before I think moving to the policies, we just move forward and just make this template as a enable. So this enable the template enable. Okay, so my template is ready and I'm ready to use with my pages. So what I can do over here, I will just move over the content. In the content, I will go to a particular page. Let's suppose V detail page, and in the V detail page, if I want to make this template available under this, what I need to do, there is a very important step to do that. We'll go to open properties. In the advanced tab, I can see there is a template settings. So what I can do, I can just copy the conf path. I just want to show these templates. The templates under template node should be visible under that particular page. So what I will do, I will just copy the path here /dot*. It means that all the templates under this template hierarchy should be visible over here. So if I go to site admin, vdetail, if I create a page, I can see under this page. So where I have put, oh sorry, under CA, I need to go under CA. So under this, okay, I can see that yes, this is my base template. And if I have created a test page, create, so I will go over here. Oh, this is my page created. So one more important step I want to include here, just unlock. So this responsive grid will be visible over here. If this is locked here, nothing will be visible here. So I think you are very much clear about template types. I hope it helps. Thank you.